Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I will be telling you guys how does a passenger get into the cockpit of a passenger plane. I have personally been in the cockpit not once, not twice, not even 3 times, but 4 times already. And as you can see, each time it was a different experience. So you all must be wondering, how does a passenger get into the cockpit? Is it a paid feature? Or is it family relations? Well, the answer is actually pretty simple if you ask me. And there are various ways you can do this. But the main point is just to ask the flight attendants. You can find them at the very back of the aircraft and at the very front of the aircraft. You can do this during boarding, during disembarking, and even during cruise. Just ask it as a simple question. And the answer depends on the crew, but aviation is the industry where everybody is just super nice people. And then after waiting for the plane to empty, you get to feel that walk to the cockpit. Whether you're an aviation fan or not, I still 100% recommend this. And if you're lucky with the pilots, they can show you stuff like this.
Meters. Airspeed low.
So I hope I answered your question. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.